guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another happy Thursday. So recently I uploaded my fail vlog and something like that, and there in the comment section everybody was like, they want to see a Club Factory haul. So I never shopped from Club Factory before, but only for you guys. I shop from Club Factory, and today I am going to share my experience, how did I like it, and what all I got within today. So yes, so if you want to know everything, like my experience and everything, keep watching this video. Okay, so firstly let me tell you that for Club Factory you have to shop for like 2000 and then only they give you a free shipping. So I thought, okay fine, let me just try for it, and products were like really cheap and everything. So I shop for like 2,306 rupees, that's how I remember. And I shopped on a particular date, and then I get a message from them that my my order is confirmed and everything. And after that I didn't get any message for like a month, maybe a month, or maybe you say for 20 days. I didn't get any message from them like where is my parcel, whether I'm gonna get it or not, because in the mail they wrote that after 2 weeks I will get my stuff, but I didn't get any message from them. And I was like, okay, whether am I getting or not. I tried contacting them on the helpline number, but I couldn't reach them. Then I get this message from them that your stuff have been delivered from have been processed from our side, and you will get it within again in 2 weeks. And I was like, oh my god, why is it taking so much time? I don't know if I'm going to get it or not. So after that I tried contacting, they give you this like a ID or a number where you can check where your where your parcel is, and you can track your order and something like that. I tried doing that, and then they said we haven't got the stuff from Club Factory yet. And I was like, what is this happening? And then after a week I get a message from them that they won't be able to send one of my product as it's not available, and they are going to refund my money, which I haven't got it yet. So today is what? Today is 23rd April and I haven't got it yet. So yes, that was my story, but I was really happy that finally I got my stuff. And the one travel pillow which I didn't get it, that was of some $4. So I don't know whether they're going to refund my money or not, and I am not willing to call them because anytime I try to reach them, I'm just not able to reach them because there's no way to reach them and they're never available. So that's the only thing. I'm sure I got all my products safely and everything, but then so when there's a communication gap between the between you and the brand, it's very difficult sometimes because you don't know whether you're getting a product or not. So that's all. Now I'm going to show you what all I got and whether I liked it or not. So okay, so the first thing is this card holder. And so in few of the things, see, basically I ordered only those things which I felt were like worth that price, because I don't know how the quality will be, so I don't want to take a risk. So I haven't got anything which is like really expensive. Also I don't remember the pricing of anything right now, but yes, I'm gonna go to their page and write it in the description box below how much are they selling it for right now, and in case you want to buy. So yeah, for a lot of stuff you won't have a choice, like they'll be like, we'll send, suppose there are 3 options, like they had pink and yellow color in this card holder, so they'll be like, they'll send whatever is available. So I felt the 3 of them were cute, so let them send anything. So I got this Doraemon one, but I didn't expect a paper inside. I thought they'd be plastic or something else, but I didn't know that there'd be a paper inside because there was no picture of this open thing. They only had a picture of this, and I felt it was so cute, so I ordered it. But they have, you can keep your cards and everything. Otherwise it's okay for the price. The plastic, it's plastic. Only thing I didn't like is the paper thing. Yeah, otherwise it's cute to keep your cards and everything. Yeah. Okay, so next thing I got this makeup pouch. Okay, so I am gonna include a picture of this after showing you the product, because I thought the product will be of this size. Like literally I thought if I have to give a makeup, this is not a makeup bag, it's a makeup pouch, yeah. So you know, I can't even keep this stuff, though I love the print, it's so cute. But then I thought it will be bigger, like bigger than this for sure, because in the picture it was looking bigger. So the only thing I found with Club Factory is the pictures they show, they're the size of bigger, but when the stuff comes, they're so tiny. They're literally so tiny. So yes, but I kind of like it. I would of course use it, and I really like it. It's just I am not having the size. So yes, next thing is this. I really like this one. Again, they would send by their own. I didn't have an option to choose a color, so I got this. This is to keep my sanitary pad in this. So yes, I thought, why don't you keep it something cute, and that's why I bought this, and I really like it. It's really nice. But if you see, the print has to be a little up because it's going till here, which is not making any sense. So yeah, this is cute and nice, but yeah, you know, it's not, the thread is coming out and stuff like that. So I don't know, according to the price I've paid, it's not up to the mark. Yeah. Next thing is this cute pencil box. Okay, so I got this for my sister. She was like, it's so cute. It's got a bus, and literally, it's really cute. It's really cute. Again, we thought it's gonna be a bigger in size, but again, it's so tiny. But at least for pencil box, it's completely fine. And got a school purse also. It's so cute, and it's got one compartment. But yes, otherwise the quality is good and nice, and it's cute. Next thing is this. Now, I thought it's gonna be smaller in size because the pictures they have shown, this earphone thing looks really small, but actually it's big. It's not, you can keep. I can actually keep my charger also in this. It's not just my earphone. So yeah, it's cute. Again, I love these body print here. It's really nice. Okay, then I got this eye mask for my sister, and it's nice. It's pretty. It's like so yes, it's cute. It's nice. It's got this satin kind of a thing here, and even the band is of a good quality. Cute. It's really cute. I really like it, this one. And then because I saw a lot of Club Factory hauls before shopping from Club Factory, and then everybody was buying jewelry. I generally don't buy jewelry because my sister got a jewelry store, and I never feel like there's a need to buy a jewelry. But then still I wanted to give it a try, so I got this. Again, this tiny thing looked so big in the picture. Like the size was a lot bigger than this, but then it was not this. In these days, I just love wearing chains, so I am gonna wear it, but I don't know for how long. The color is gonna be this because I'm sure it's gonna turn black very soon. And then I got one more piece. It got the 3-layer neck piece. I really like this one. It's pretty, the size is good, right now the quality is not looking bad. Trust me, it's nice. You can wear with your basic tops, and I really like it. Trust me, I really like this one. Yeah. Next, I got this. If you're wondering what is this, it's like you have to wear it in your finger, and while you chop, your finger won't get cut, because these days I have started chopping. Excuse me guys, I know how to cook also. So I love chopping. It's just even put on your finger and you can chop and your finger won't get cut. So yeah, good deal. And then I got 2 tops. How come if I'm shopping from anywhere I don't order clothes? So I got this top, and I'm really impressed with the clothes. I just got 2 tops, and I'm really impressed with the quality. It's so soft, and I love the print. It looks so nice, and trust me, this one is in a medium size. Another one I have ordered in the XL size. So whatever the size you are, please order 2 sizes up. I'm telling you, because the size I was really small. So I got this medium size, and you know they'll be a little loose to you, but at least they won't be tight because I don't like to wear these body fitted clothes. But this is cute, the material is so nice, it's so good. And the next one I got is this. Next one I got is this red top, and I recently wore this in Delhi. If you guys must have seen my picture in this. So this isn't the XL size. It's so cute, ordinary, and trust me, it fits so soft. I was so impressed with the clothes when I saw this down. I was like, oh my god, they're small. I don't like this, I don't like that. But when I saw these, I was like, shopping was good. So yes, this is what all I got from Club Factory. The only thing is I couldn't connect with them, and I didn't get one of my stuff. I don't know. They got to refund the money. And also there was a sizing issue, you know, what they show is not what you're getting, at least in the sizes. Otherwise the print and everything is exactly the same. So yes, this was my Club Factory haul. I don't know whether I'll be shopping from there again or not. At least for t-shirts I can shop, but other things I don't know. And yeah, I'm not saying it's really bad, but it's okay. For me it's just okay. I would spend my 2000 somewhere else. But yeah, I'm not feeling very bad about it because I just got these tiny basic things, so I knew if I go wrong also I'm not gonna feel really bad about it. So yes, that's all I got. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next. And this was my experience, my review on Club Factory. And let me know how was your experience, if you know, if this happened only with me or happened with a lot of you guys too. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you super soon. Bye.